In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms in Outlook. If you want a quick and simple way to build a form without leaving the Microsoft environment, Outlook makes that process very convenient. This is especially useful if you want to create surveys, collect feedback, or prepare a basic questionnaire while working inside your usual email workflow. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the Forms option and how to start building a new form. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. Once Outlook is open, take a moment to look over the main interface so it's easier to follow the next step. Depending on your version of Outlook, the layout may look slightly different, but the key tools are usually in familiar places. Next, look for the grid icon on the left side of the screen. This icon is often used to open Microsoft apps and services connected to your account. Click that grid icon to expand the available app options. If you don't immediately see what you need, just scan the list carefully, since the order can vary depending on your setup. From there, click Forms. This will take you into Microsoft Forms, where you can create and manage forms directly from your Microsoft workspace. If it opens in a new panel or window, that's completely normal. The important thing is that you've now reached the area where your forms can be created. Once you're inside Forms, click New Form. This is where the actual creation process begins. After selecting it, you'll be able to start customizing your form. You can give it a title, add a description if needed, and begin building out the content based on your goal. For example, you might create a feedback form, a registration form, or a simple internal survey. As you customize the form, make sure your questions are clear and easy to understand. Keep the wording simple, and think about the experience of the person filling it out. A well-organized form is usually easier to complete and gives you better responses. Take your time here and create the form the way you want. Microsoft Forms is designed to be user-friendly, so this part is fairly flexible and straightforward. And that's it. You've opened Outlook, accessed the app grid, selected Forms, and started a new form that you can customize to fit your needs. Once you're comfortable with these basics, creating forms from Outlook becomes a very fast process.